Every Mother's Day, we watch others celebrating their mothers, while our hearts quietly remember you both. Mama Laizah Mupoki, Mama Josephine Hatikwani, forever missed, forever loved. Memories of you come rushing heavily. Your warmth, your laughter, your motherly love. You left us while we were still young. Myself, Jestina, my husband, Knowledge Simbarashe, and our siblings trying to understand life without you. It's been years now, but sometimes it still feels like yesterday. The pain never fully leaves, we just carry it differently. After you left us, many turned away. Some only stayed where there was something to gain, but through God's grace we survived. Ebenezer, Jehovah Makati Batsira, Mama Laizah, oh Mama Josephine, your love was unconditional. You loved us from the womb, not because of what we had, not because of what we could give. You loved us simply because we were yours, forever missed, forever loved. Rest peacefully, our mothers. Today we see how people change. Love feels close only when you provide something, and that makes us miss you even more, because your love was always genuine. If you were still here today, we would spoil you big time. Vasikana Imi, hold your hands and say thank you for loving us exactly as we were. Thank you for the prayers, thank you for the sacrifices, thank you for the love still guiding us today, even from eternity. Oh, Mama Laizah, oh Mama Laizah, oh Mama Josephine. Every Mother's Day our hearts call your names. Your love still comforts us, your memories still guide us forever in our hearts, forever love. Happy Mother's Day, wherever you are. May your beautiful soul continue resting in peace forever. Remember, Mama Laizah Mupoki, Mama Josephine Hatikwani, forever